The moon is whispering low tonight, a velvet shadow in silver light. The world exhales, the world lets go. Dreaming away, floating away through clouds of time, soft as clay. Hold my hand, don't drift alone. Dreaming away, we're almost home. A river hums beneath the trees. The air is thick with ancient pleas. Can you hear it calling still? A voice that bends but never breaks, a love that gives but never takes. Dreaming away, floating away through clouds of time, soft as clay. Hold my hand, don't drift alone. Dreaming awake, we're almost home. Every scar, every sigh, painted stars in the sky. Every wound, every tear washed away, dreaming awake, floating away through clouds of time, soft as clay. Hold my hand, don't drift alone. Dreaming awake, we're almost the amber leaves fall without a sound, like whispers floating to the ground. Golden threads in the autumn light, a quiet dance in fading night. Golden leaves falling, falling down, soft as dreams that never branches bare, but still they sway, a calm embrace at the end of day. Crimson skies hold the season's breath, even in stillness there's no death. Golden leaves falling, falling down, soft as dreams that never drown, healing hearts with every glide, gentle winds, a soothing tide. The world slows down, it's not a race. In the fall we find our grace, radiant, resplendent, yet so still. Autumn whispers always will. Golden leaves falling, falling down, soft as dreams that never drown, healing hearts with every glade, gentle winds, a soothing tide.
Amber and gold on the breeze they sway, dancing softly in the sun's last ray. Each leaf a whisper, each step a sigh, painting the ground as the moments fly. Do you hear the rustling tune, a melody beneath the moon? Whispering leaves in the autumn air, a song of peace beyond compare. Radiant colors falling free, a quiet hymn for you and me. The trees hold secrets in their arms so wide, telling tales of seasons time cannot hide. The wind it hums a gentle refrain, healing hearts with its soft, sweet strain. Whispering leaves in the autumn air, a song of peace beyond compare. Radiant colors falling free, a quiet hymn for you and me. Feel the gentle flow. The world turns quiet as the moments slow. Healing tones in the rustle and glow. A comfort all the autumn can bestow. Whispering leaves in the autumn air, a song of peace beyond compare. Radiant colors falling free, a quiet hymn for you and me.
A river hums beneath the stars. It whispers secrets near and far, softly calling, gently falling, like the night wraps you in arms. Dreamy away, floating away, the world fades out, the heart will stay. Dreaming awake, the quiet speaks, a tender glow, the soul it candle flickers in the dark. A single flame, a tiny spark. Breath of shadows, calm it follows, tracing paths through every mark. drifting where the world can see. Close my eyes, I'm finally free. Whisper of the tide, just let it be. Stars above, they barely blink. Time dissolves, I cannot think. The moonlight weaves a silver spell. Each breath a thread of peace. Tonight the darkness wraps me featherlight. No need to fight, no need to run. The tide has whispered, it's begun. Whisper of the tide, it carries me, drifting where the world can't see. Close my eyes, I'm finally free. Whisper of the tide, just let